Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you some string methods in Python. First of all, string methods are used to manipulate a string. For example, if say there is a string called apple, if I want to make the first letter of this apple into capital like this, I have a method to do that. Say the same example apple. If I want to alter this, if the apple is in small case, right, it is on all lowercase. I want to convert that into all uppercase, so like this. Sorry, I wrote my names uh, like this. So to do this, we have a method, and there are various operations we can do using string method. Let's learn them one by one. The first method that we are going to learn is capitalize. So what does the capitalize method do? Let's see. First, let me create a string. S is equal to, say, cherry. I created a string cherry. So let's see how to use this string. I'm going to print the S. This is cherry. The string cherry is stored in the variable S. So print S dot. I'm going to write the method capitalize. Capitalize. Yeah, let me run this cell. It is taking some time. Let us wait. Yeah. Now you can see I have this string which has all smaller case letters, and when I use the method capitalize, the first letter of the string becomes capital. That's what capitalize method do. So the second method that we are going to learn is case fold. Let's see what this method do. Let me create another string like aeroplane. Wait, let me make it like aeroplane. You will know why I did this. Now what I'm going to do is print as dot case fold, and if I run this, you can see all the it is this string is a mix of small letter and capital letter. Now when I use the case fold method, my string is become every letter in my string has become lowercase. That's what case fold does. And there is one more function which is similar to case fold, that is lower. So this is just similar to case fold. For example, let me write apple in capital, and now I'm going to print s dot lowercase and run. Now you can see the apple in capital letters has become into apple of smaller case letters. And there is one more method which is just opposite to this, that is upper. What this does, I hope you already know this, it will convert the lowercase string into a uppercase string. S is equal to, let's say, banana, and print s dot upper and run. See, ev- every letter in banana has become a capital letter. And now the next method we are going to see is count. So what does count do? Let's see. Say, let me create a string like A, B, 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 C, 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 D, D, D. Now I want to know how many A and how many B and how many C and how many D are in my string. So to do that, all I need to do is print s dot count A, and I can just copy this, paste it here, paste it here, and I can just change this to B, change this to C, and change this to D. So if I run the cell, I will see it says I have 4A in my string, 5B in my string, and 3C and 3D in my string. Using the count method, we can count the number of character in our string. The next method that we are going to see is starts with. So let's see what this method does. So let me create a string first, like Sherry again. Now this will return a boolean value. Print s dot starts with, obviously the string starts with the letter C. So if I give C and run this, it is going to return me true because this string starts with C. But if I give some other letter, like for example I, this is going to give me false because this string doesn't start with I, it starts with C. So you see, and similar to this, we have one more function that is ends with. What I hope you know what this one does already. For example, we use Cherry again and print s dot ends with ends with y. Obviously, this string ends with y. So when I give y, it is going to return me true. If I give o, it is going to return me false. The next function that we are going to look at, I mean method we are going to look at is find. Let's see what this method does. Let me create a string as usual. This time let me give like share. So what I'm going to do is print s dot find a. There is a letter A in my string chair. So what this will do is 2 because I hope you know about the index value. Now this is the string. The index value of C is 0, the index value of H is 1, and the index value of A is 2, I is 3, and R is 4. That's why I'm getting 2 for this. There is one more function similar to this, that is index. This method does the same thing as the find method. S is equal to, we can give box, and I can print s dot index. Index of what? Index of x. Can you find what is the index of x? The index of x is 2 because this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So if I give 0, if I give O, I'm going to get 1. Yeah. And the next function is title. For this, I'm going to write a different string. For example, Python is great. Okay. So print s dot title. You know what this will do? This will just convert all the first letters. For example, for is, this is the first letter. For great, this is the first letter into uppercase, like a title, like this. And format. Let's see what format does. For this, we need to create a string with a curly braces inside it, like Python is. I'm going to give like this, and I'm going to go now and print s dot format, and I'm going to write great. So what this will do is If whatever I give in this within this bracket will be displayed in this inside this. Let me run this so that you can understand. See, so for example, if I put this here, grade will come here. This is important. So the curly braces are important. There is one more way you can do this, like s is equal to f, write f, and open string, and write Python is great. You can straight away write in here, and straight away write the thing in this, and you can print s. Now we will get the same result. The next function we are going to, method we are going to look at is strip. So what will strip do? Let me create a function. Before creating the function, I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to press space bar 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to write apple, and I'm going to press the space bar 3 times again, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to print s dot strip, and I'm going to run it. So what this will do is this strip function will remove the space before and after the string. For example, if I print s without strip, you can see this. You can see the spaces, but after using strip, the spaces are removed. And the final function, method, is join. This is unique compared to the other functions we just saw. Join. So the join function is used to join all the element in a list. For example, like first I need to create a list. I'm going to create a list like Python, and one more element is amazing. So I want to make this element in the list into a string. How can I do that? So s is equal to, first I'm going to create like something like this and put a dot and join, open brackets, list. So whatever you in between this, give a space here, and now print s and run. Now you can see Python is great. This space between Python and is an amazing is because of this space. If I give comma here, you can see what is going to happen. You will get something like this. If I give like uh, 0 here, I will get like this. So the space you give here will be shown here. And that's it for today, guys.